Lately, the life and the character of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has been in the news in a negative manner. In obedience to the instructions of Huzur Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, may Allah strengthen his hand, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Canada has been holding events highlighting the life of the greatest prophet of all. The latest of these events was held by Jamaat Ahmadiyya Vaughan. Title of the event was Muhammad, the astonishing story of the Prophet. Venue was Awan-e-Tahir, located next to Baitul Islam Mosque, Toronto. The program started by recitation of Holy Quran, which was presented by Hifz-e-Quran school teacher Rahat Ahmad Chima Sahib, while Ansar Dawood Sahib gave the translation. National Secretary Umur Kharjiya Asif Khan Sahib welcomed all guests and gave the general program overview. Qaid Sahib Khudamul Ahmadiyya Majlis Vaughan East, Zishan Iqbal Sahib introduced Jamaat and shared the reasons for holding this event. Safwan Chaudhry Sahib presented the actual program. Two brothers, Aqib Mahmood and Saqib Mahmood Sahib, presented monologues on companions of the Holy Prophet. 11 Nasrat and 10 Atfal recited verses from Qasida of Hazrat Masih Maud, while 5 Nasrat recited his Persian poem. Missionary in charge Canada, Maulana Mubarak Nazir Sahib gave the concluding address and then led the silent prayers. 189 non-Ahmadi guests were present among the total attendance of over 850 people. 550 of these guests were seated in Awan-e-Tahir, while the rest were seated in Baitul Islam Mosque. Some of the guests shared their impressions of the event and said,
I'm asked to describe one aspect of the event which I appreciated today, and it would have to be when Mr. Mubarak, the president, the missionary in charge of Canada, was on stage speaking about the division amongst the Muslim brothers. And this is something that has, in my seat, moved me to tears to watch him.
Today I came here to learn more about Islam, but I was inspired by Mr. Nazir, and I thought he was inspirational, and I want to come back and learn more about the Islamic religion.
It was very informative, and I really liked Prophet Muhammad's his universal message of peace and kindness and compassion for all of mankind. And I wish to learn more by coming again. Thank you.
Sayyid Mukarram Nazir, MT International Jamaat News, Baitul Islam Mosque, Toronto, Canada.